Here we are in Mzuzu, Malawi, doing an update on the house construction. We finally have a working shower. Had my first hot shower in 2 months. That's pretty good. Felt really good. Got this deal here. Beautiful. We got, we didn't use the solar panel setup we were going to use, so we got a different one. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the extra one we have, but they're hooking something up right now, so the power's off, but it doesn't really matter. Gotta get my shoes on here. We've got the sidewalk done all the way down there, all the way out in front of the west veranda, and all the way down through here. Come out real nice. We're gonna put sand in between, so it's going to look really good. Got a cinder block retaining wall. The sidewalk's done to here. The retaining wall's done pretty much all the way around. We got this all graded so we can do that. We got this one pretty much done back here. We got this retaining wall finished here, and that's the septic system. It's really ugly, but that's the way it is. It's the way they do things here. And the drain, they always bring them out into these things. I don't know why they do what they do. It's hard to say. The ladders are made out of poles from the bush, you know, just whatever grows wild. There's the what they call a geyser here, which is a water heater. We finally got that sucker hooked up. We have the sidewalk completely done in the front, all the way. All the way up to there in this style here. And then got a electric motor here that's going to be for the pumping system to you know, water the garden and the yard and everything. And we have this part of the lawn all planted. Then we have these bushes here all the way around. Then this pattern of sidewalk ends right here. Then we go back to this pattern here. It's the same as the one over there. Then we're going to put a bridge here, concrete bridge, to go up to the porch so you don't have to walk across the gutter. And then we're going to do 2 more down there, the same. We got all the windows complete and painted. Got the roof fixed. We're doing more cinder blocks to do for the new plot. We're building a duplex up there. And There's two of the laborers there. And all in all, it's looking pretty good. Just bought some more cement to finish the sidewalk with. So when we get more done, I'll give you another update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.